I begin to I begin to
Hey guys, this is Harika and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you and talk about HAVELLS 5-in-1 multi-styling kit with model number HC4045. I hope you guys are doing well and safe out there. So without further ado, let's get started. So here is the package from Amazon. This is how it came. I ordered this recently after watching so many reviews on this product and the reviews were quite good. So I really wanted to try this out since I was looking for some hairstyling kit for an affordable price. I got this product for Rs 2199. You can also see the date of purchase beside it. And on the side of the product, the details are given. If you want to know more about it, just pause the video and go through it, because I don't want to make this video lengthy. So I'll also mention the link in the description box as well, so that you can go through the product and get to know about the details of it. So inside of the box, you will find the guarantee and instructions card, which is very useful for us to know how to use the product effectively. So this is the guarantee card. The serial number for this card is very important if you want to opt for it. So this guarantee card is valid for a period of 2 years from the date of purchase. So here is the product I was looking for and I'm really excited to use it. In here they have given 5 tools. The first one is the straightener cum crimper, third one is conical curler, fourth one is the brush comb, and inside of it there is a 19mm curler, which is considered to be the fifth tool, and a connector to connect all the tools for heating it. The length of the wire is 1.8 meters, which is very easy and quite lengthy also. So let's open the tools and have a brief look. So this is the straightener tool. The other side is the crimped one. So basically it is like 2-in-1 tool. It has a ceramic coating which provides the perfect temperature for the smoothest glide over your hair and tangle-free experience. So next is the conical curler, which provides us from tight ringlets to loose. So this is the 19mm curler with a brush comb attached to it. This is how we have to open it. You can hold your curls with the help of the holder. The brush comb provides you with volume in the hair. So here is the connector. When you move it down, it will switch on the product. This is the press button to clip the styling tool in it. The connector comes with easy rotating. You can rotate it in however way you want without any fear of damage to the wire. So here I'm going to show you how to connect the tool. So first, press the button for easy fitting of the tool. It might take some time to figure out. It took me around 5 minutes to connect it. It did irritate me a little bit, but once you get it, it will be easier next time. So first we are going to test this curler. For that, I'm going to take the front section of my hair and curl it this way. I'm going to hold it for 10 seconds. Since the heat from the tool is 190 degrees centigrade and it was pretty enough for my hair to be curled by the tool. So what do you guys think? I'm very impressed actually. It gave a very nice curls to my hair and bouncy as well. Now I'm gonna straighten the curl part with a straightener and see how it works. Now I do have a request for you guys, that is to subscribe to my channel. I have been trying to build my YouTube community, the Bizarre Soul, and also don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll put the links in my description box below, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So what do you think about it? And to my surprise, it turned out awesome. As you can see it, with just one stroke it has turned straight, and I'm so happy. I think you'll be happy once you buy it. Just make sure that the connection is proper, otherwise it won't heat the tool in a way it should be. So it's time for testing the conical curl. These curls are from 19mm one. I'm gonna compare the both so that it can help us to differentiate between them. I'm gonna take the next section and curl this with the conical curler and hold it for 10 seconds. I can see that the 19mm curler is giving us some big curls. It just matches two waves, whereas the conical one gives us some tight curls. Am I right? Just tell me in the comment section below on how you think about the difference in the both. So for crimping, we have to switch the positions just the way it is shown. The tool is tightly attached. It might take some time. I took a section and now I'm gonna crimp it. Hold it for 5 seconds and there you can see it is giving such a lovely crimps to my hair. I'm pretty happy with these results. The only drawback I thought is that it became bit rough, or maybe when we crimp it, it becomes rough, I think. Basically, crimping hair is for poof hairstyles. You usually see crimped hairstyles for brides. This look will add some difference and make your hairstyle look elegant and very stylish. Next is brush comb. This is meant to give volume to your flat hair. So as you can see, I have flat hair in the front section. So let's check. I'm gonna take the right section of my hair and compare it with the left one. I'm gonna comb my hair with this tool like this for about 2 to 3 times. So okay, it did work. What do you guys think? So it is flat on this side and little up on this side. Can you see the difference in both of them? I have straightened my hair yesterday, giving some wavy look at the bottom with the same styling kit, as you can see. So that's it for today. I hope you guys find this video useful and informative. Don't forget to share it with your friends who are looking for a good styling kit for an affordable price. I think rupees 2000 is way worth and guaranteed for 2 years. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss a video from my side on my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye guys, and thank you so much for watching.